everyone, do you want to start your own application like Urban Clap? Are you looking for a complete all-in-one multi-service application where a customer can book parlor, electrician, plumber, massagist and a lot of other services all in one application, and they can also book the providers. The provider can come at their home and can complete the service, and the customer can pay online just like Urban Clap. Then this is the video for you. In this video we are going to discuss how our ready-made multi-service application Service King works, how a customer can book online services like booking a parlor, how the provider can receive that inquiries and how he can complete the inquiries. So if you are looking for your own service booking application, then this is the best video for you. After watching this video, you will be able to understand how our ready-made application Service King works and how you can start your own business like that. So for more, kindly watch this video, and for any query you can directly connect with us. The details are showing on your screen. So yeah, let's get started.
Are you looking for an application like Urban Clap where customers can book different service like electrician, plumber, beauty services and much more, and the service providers can accept this booking, complete the bookings, and you can earn commission on each booking? Then this is the video for you. In this video we are going to discuss our ready-made multi-service application Service King, and we are going to discuss how Service King app works, how a customer can book service, and how a provider can accept the booking and complete the booking. So if you are looking for a multi-service application like Urban Clap, then this is the video for you. So yeah, let's get started. So now click on this service. Now here you can see the other details of this service, and you can also see the price, the description, the duration and other services. You can also see the add-on services available with this service that you can add if you want to. So now select some add-ons and let's click on book this service. Now choose your address. You can add a new address from here, but now let's select our already available address, and now you can add the hint over here like this. If there is any particular coupon code, if you want any particular discount, you can add the coupon code from here. Now you can book the service in two types. One is current service that you can book right now. Another is scheduling a service. So you can book the service right now or you can book it for later too. So if we click on schedule an order, you can select your service date and service time like this. So now let's click on as soon as possible, because we right now want to book the service for live time, and let's click on continue. Now you can see your final total, taxes and all the other amounts, and click on confirm and book now. And yeah, your service has been booked successfully by using the Service King customer app. Now let's go to the provider app. The provider will receive a push notification like this. Now the provider can see all the details of the customer, his name, his number, his service, price. He can also message or call the customer like this. He can also see the live location of the customer. And now let's accept this booking. And now if you go to the user app, you can go to my bookings, and in the accepted bookings you can see the booking available. You can cancel the booking also till the provider is coming at your place to complete this booking. So now let's assume the provider is coming from his place to the customer place to provide the service of car services. So now he will click on the way. And now in the customer application bookings, we can see in the on the way our service SUV car washing is available. Now let's assume the provider has been reached to the customer place and he is ready to start his service. So now he will click on ready. The customer will need to confirm that the service has been started. So he will go to the customer app and click on start. So congratulations, your service has been started. And now let's assume the service provider has completed his work. So the customer will go to the customer application and he will click on finish. Congratulations, your service work has been completed. So now the customer will pay to the provider. Now click on go to checkout. You can see your total over here. You can pay by PayPal, Razorpay, cash or Stripe. If you are an Indian user, you can choose Razorpay. By using Razorpay, your customers can pay by credit card, debit card, UPI and other wallets. For more, kindly contact your consultant or check the description box, or you can also comment below so our team can help you. Right now, let's click on cash to complete this booking and click on confirm and pay now. And yeah, your booking has been successfully done. The provider has completed your booking and you have successfully paid on Service King application. So that's how a customer book a service, provider come to their place and confirm the booking, and the customer can complete his booking. So if we go to the provider app, in the done bookings, we can click on confirm payment. As it was a cash on delivery, so the provider will need to confirm that he has successfully received the cash payment, and that's how a provider can complete a booking by using the Service King application. Now the customer can give a review and rating. Depending upon the services he liked, he can give a 5-star review and write his review for the provider. And that's all about how Service King application works. Now let's discuss about the other functionalities in the Service King application. You can see all categories from here. You can see all bookings from here. You can see all notifications from here. You can see all the messages from here. The Service King application is a multi-language application. You can see all the available languages from here. Other languages can also be added. Kindly contact your service provider for more support. You can drop a comment below, or you can also check the description box so you can directly connect with our consultant. In Service King application, when you register or create a new account, you receive a OTP like this. All these banners, categories, services can be changed from the admin panel. For that, you can contact your consultant, or you can also check description so our team can help you. And if you are looking for a complete Urban Clap similar multi-service application, then this is the best solution for you. For more, you can contact your consultant, or you can directly connect with us. Just drop your number below in the comments, or you can check the description so our team can connect you.
And yeah, that's how our ready-made multi-service application Service King works. So if you are looking for your application like Urban Clap, then this is the best solution for you. We have ready-made customer Android app, provider Android app, customer iOS app, provider iOS app, and a complete admin panel with 1 year free technical support. For more, kindly contact us. The details are showing on your screen. You can also connect with us by our website. And for more, kindly check the description box, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.